Would you know if your dog had kennel cough? I'm betting you might not because most people don't. So today, let's look at the top signs that your dog has kennel cough. Then I'll tell you about one simple fix that really helps. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. Now, the reason most people don't recognize kennel cough in their dogs is they miss the cough because dogs don't cough like we do. Often it sounds like something is stuck in their throat. So you'll hear this gagging or retching sound, not a cough. And your dog might throw up a little mucus or yellow stuff when he does. So that's why it's super easy to miss the signs of kennel cough. Now, it is possible your dog does actually have something lodged in his throat, or he may have a disease called collapsing trachea, but that sounds more like a honking goose than gagging. Most of the time, it's just kennel cough, especially if your dog hangs out with other dogs or has been to the vet, groomer, or daycare recently. Kennel cough is really easy to spread among dogs, but while it's highly contagious, it's just the equivalent to the common cold. Your dog might feel a little punkish, but it should just go away in a few days. And if it doesn't, then you should start thinking about collapsing trachea, heart issues, or other causes of coughing. In that case, you'll want to talk to your holistic vet. So let's just relax right now and assume your dog has kennel cough. It's a really good bet that he does. Now, I want to talk about how you can help your dog feel better with safe home remedies. Now, you might be reaching for the cough syrup right now because you heard it will help your dog, but there's two reasons to put it back on the shelf, or better yet, just throw it in the trash. First of all, studies show that manuka honey works just as well as any cough suppressant. And second, a lot of cough suppressants contain acetaminophen, and that's really toxic to your dog's liver. Plus, it's really easy to overdose your dog on Benadryl or other cough remedies. The margin of safety is pretty small for dogs. So skip the drugs and use the honey. Research shows it works just as well, plus it doesn't have any unwanted side effects. So the manuka honey will take care of your dog's cough and sore throat. Now you just have to support the immune system so the kennel cough doesn't hang around for too long. And the best way to support the immune system is with medicinal mushrooms. Now, you can buy these at most natural food stores or from 4-Leaf Rover, but just make sure you get real whole mushrooms and not mycelium. Whole mushrooms will work much better because they have more of the medicinal beta-glucans in them. Now, beta-glucans are the compound in mushrooms that make them medicinal, and that's because they stimulate the innate immune response. Now, mushrooms are also rich in zinc, which is another powerful way to fight viruses. Now, the 4 mushrooms that will do the best job with kennel cough are maitake, shiitake, reishi, and cordyceps. These guys all have the research behind them showing that they can kill viruses, but research shows that they do work best when they're combined. So try to find an organic mushroom powder that has at least 3 or 4 mushrooms in it. Now, again, most dogs will kick kennel cough in just a few days. The honey and mushrooms will help, especially if you have an older dog or a dog with health issues. Kennel cough can stick around for weeks or months in some dogs, so the mushrooms are a good idea for these older dogs or dogs with health challenges. Now, if you have any questions about kennel cough, just leave a comment and we're always here to help. And if you like this video, please make sure you like it, share it, and tell people about it. Thanks for watching.